Right here in this package, we have the recent Supreme Lacoste from last Thursday. I think this was week 9. And then what I got was the tracksuit. I hate these bags. The top and the bottom. I'm gonna try this on, see how the fit is for this video, and then we'll get right back to it. Before I put this on, I wish you guys could feel the material, but look at the nice tags on this. You can tell Lacoste made it, and then Supreme just put their branding on top. You're showing the tag and the little Lacoste symbol. Yeah, but now I'm gonna put this on. The velour that they use on this, so clean. But yeah, now we're gonna get straight to unboxing everything else. In this box right here, I sold my other previous RevengexStorms, and I had to get a new pair with the straps on them, though, feel me? They still spelled Revenge wrong on the box. But yeah, I just had to get me a new pair. My old pair were beat. I sold them for retail just so I was able to afford these without losing money. These are so clean. Sorry for that voice crack. These are so clean. I just need another pair of everyday wear shoes. I'll show them in the camera for a little bit. Look at these size 9 RevengexStorms. The sole's a different color now, right? Yeah, it is. Now it's black. But yeah, you guys already know how these look on me, but I'll still put them on anyway. Guys, green shoes on an all black outfit make the whole fit stand out. Showing them? But yeah, we haven't even got to the heat yet though, believe it or not. These are probably one of the most controversial shoes to come out in like 2018, because no one's even sure if they like them or not. Well, there's a lot of hate going on, but like if you know how to dress, these are your favorite sneakers. All right, like I said, these shoes have a lot of hate towards them, but if you know how to dress, these are your favorite sneakers. I had 2 pairs, my girl size and then my size, but I'm gonna just show you guys my size for now. I got one in the pre-order and then one on Adidas, and they both came around the same time, which is so disrespectful, but that's business, right? All right, these are the Yeezy Supply pre-order ones that I got. It looks like a worker already tried these on. This is the way they came to me, not even laced or anything, so I guess, you know, 2-month wait for what? The suede on this is impeccable. There's no competition. These are probably, see, I can't say they're the best Yeezys out because they have no boost, but I'm definitely gonna try these on and tell you the comfort. Look at the 3M hits on this shoe, guys, and tell me this is not one of the most creative Yeezys to ever come out. The hate on it, no one knows yet watching it. I guarantee in a year or 2, these are gonna be worth the most money. That's guaranteed. Once again, look at these sneakers with this Supreme Lacoste outfit, and that's already a fire fit right there. A lot of you guys don't know how to dress. Just take these tips. It's not even an expensive outfit. On to the next item. This next pair was a huge L on my end. I even bought an auto checkout and I could not get them. A lot of you guys probably copped this manual because it was a pretty easy cop, but I swear I'm like banned from Nike or something. These are the only shoes I would pay resale for, and it's only because it wasn't for myself, it was for my little brother, the little cameraman recording behind this. This is the StockX confirmation. I don't know what the hell is. Jason Mark White, nice little sponsorship they have. Just have a pic, so I should verify this. Leave me alone, dog. So I don't know if you guys already took my money. These are the sneakers that go for the least amount, but probably the best ones to come out in like the last recent year. Little StockX tag, shoelaces. This smells like alcohol. It's disgusting. Yeah, it smells really bad. But yeah, leather on this is apparently like pretty good compared to the other ones. Apparently it's like shattered backwards quality. Again, the StockX tag, and yeah, these don't fit me, so I won't be able to try them on with this fit, but I'm pretty sure they look amazing. On to the next one. All right, this next item, I can't go into much detail on how I got it. A nice Supreme 2011 Demir bag with the Louis Vuitton ripoff. I want to get closer and show them that. It has a decent amount of flaws on it, but I paid under market what it goes for. And the person that gave it to me she's a good friend. Let's just leave it at that. Yeah, this is definitely everyday wear starting from next semester. And yeah, really proud to have this in my collection. Definitely keep this for the personal. On to the next item. These next 2 items I picked them up a while ago. Straight connects. I love these people. I got this from my boy Eddie. I wish it was pumps so I could show you guys, but it's not. Sorry about that. I couldn't find a pump either. I didn't want to like pay for one, so I'm only gonna use it for this one time. But nice Vlone ball with the Nike swoosh on the other end. I'll show you guys this. You guys could use it, legit check it. Use it to compare, you know, fake ones or whatever the hell you guys buy. But yeah, shout out to you, Eddie, for this. It's definitely personal. Stay in the collection forever. I'm gonna pump this up one day, I swear. And then I just bought a pair of Gucci jeans from Handpicked Worldwide. They gave me a pretty good price on them. I traded something in, and I ended up paying like $40 cash or whatever. But yeah, some really nice Gucci jeans. I'll put them on over these pants just because like some of these are leggings or something. That way you guys see the fit on them. It's pretty baggy, but I wear them with my 700s. At first, I hated the fit on these jeans, but if you move the camera up, I really like them. They fit the 700s really well. Can you show that part? And they make the dad shoes complete with the dad fit. Yeah, guys. I believe that's everything that I caught. If not, you'll see more of the video. But yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry for it being so as long as it is. But yeah, like and subscribe, and then there'll definitely be more in the future.